More than ever, mini PCs have become an excellent replacement for your huge standard desktop PC. They are jam-packed with serious power and come in a small form factor basically the size of a gift box. Nowadays, there are a mind-boggling amount of these units on the market, but which one should you choose? We have reviewed 35 of the highest spec'd and most popular models to present you with 6 elite units we know you will love. Hey guys, I'm Jim with Techie Tech News, and these are the best mini PCs of 2025. Links to these products will be provided in the description box below, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more product review videos. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to. GMK Tech Nukebox K6, best mini PC for students. Boasting many of the features from the GMK Tech K8, but for around $100 cheaper. The GMK Tech Nukebox K6 is a recommended mini PC for students who want a reliable performer that won't break the bank. Now, it's powered by AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, along with AMD's Radeon 780M graphics chip, and with 32GB of RAM, which is expandable to 64GB. This little machine proved to be an all-around performer for office apps, browsing, content creation, and light gaming. It's also one of the quietest mini PCs that we've tried, making it a good choice when it's shared in spaces. Now, in some of our graphics reviews, the GMK Tech K6 even had an edge over its more powerful K8 model. The option to expand or to last the length of the course and beyond is especially welcome. We did find the mini PC's design made accessing internal components awkward, and we recommend diving in with your screwdriver in hand only once you know what to expect inside. Our only other gripe is the lack of Thunderbolt ports and that the unit lacks the AI processing of its bigger brother, the K8. But it really shouldn't affect your day-to-day usage. Overall, we found everything about the K6 just about right for the average user. But for students, this unit is spot on. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. Apple Mac Studio, most powerful mini PC. If you want the most powerful mini PC, a fully spec'd Apple Mac Studio is our top choice. A beefed up version of the Mac Mini, the Mac Studio is built from a single aluminum extrusion with a square footprint of 7.7 inches and a height of 3.7 inches. In our review, the Mac Studio performed beautifully. It easily handled 8K video editing, and the advanced AI-powered photo editing tools in Adobe Photoshop were incredible. We even saw the Mac Studio load a detailed 3D scene, and it took up more memory than the discrete professional PC GPUs it comes with. And it did all this in near silence. The bottom line is you don't just get another PC of this performance level in such a compact chassis. Its laser-like focus on creative professionals means it won't be for everybody, but it packs plenty of ports, and if you want a powerful and compact creative mini PC, there's a lot to love with the Apple Mac Studio, but the price won't be one of them. Minisforum Neptune HX100G, best mini PC for gaming. Now bridging the gap between desktop and mini gaming PC, the Minisforum Neptune HX100G is a powerful yet compact machine that puts on an impressive display of performance during our review. You can tell from the specs that this mini PC is designed for gamers, creators, and video editors. It features an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor along with a Radeon RX 6650M graphics card. Now, the size and weight of the HX100G does stretch the definition of mini somewhat. However, with the additional size helps with cooling, which is a fair trade-off. And we can't really complain about its gaming prowess. During our review, we tested titles including Assassin's Creed, Cyberpunk 2077, and Tekken 8. All of these games showed great performance, although we did note some reductions in ray tracing settings. Considering the compact form, the PC's external power adapter is inconveniently bulky. The price isn't exactly mini either, but you get plenty of bang for your buck, whether blasting through AAA games or using your mini PC for emulation. If you can't get a hold of the HX100G as an alternative, you might want to try the similarly spec'd Minisforum Neptune HX99G. Minisforum UM790 Pro, best mini PC for video editing. The Minisforum UM790 Pro impresses with its compact design and powerful performance. When it comes to video editing on a mini PC, it's important to choose a machine that is fully spec'd and ready to tackle even the most resource-hungry software. Now, a number of our recommended PCs here are actually up to that task, particularly the Apple Mac Mini, but the Minisforum UM790 Pro is a standout here. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and the AMD Radeon 780M GPU, in our review it excelled in processor and graphics intensive tasks, including in gaming and video editing at 4K. Now, it may not have the GPU of the Neptune HX100G, but it also doesn't have the same price tag. The machine's 32GB of DDR5 dual-channel RAM, which is expandable to 64GB, and the dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots ensure fast data access and storage capability. Keep in mind, this unit comes with 1TB already pre-installed. The UM790 Pro offers versatile connectivity, VESA mounting capability, and effective cooling. Its benchmark scores reflect its exceptional real-world performance, making it just as suitable for creative professionals and gamers as gentler office tasks. The design may be plain, but it is practical, emphasizing on functionality. While priced in the mid-range for a high-end mini PC, its strong performance, along with features, justify the cost, appealing to those seeking powerful performance in a compact form. Alternatively, we would also recommend the Apple Mac Mini or the Apple Mac Studio for professional video editors. Beelink U59, best budget mini PC. If you want the best budget mini PC, the Beelink U59 offers good performance during basic tasks such as browsing and using Office apps. Now, it doesn't have the best specs that we've seen. It's built around the Intel Celeron processor N5105, which has 4 cores, 4 threads, 4 MB cache, and around 2.9 GHz of speed. It can come with 8 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of SATA SSD storage installed. Even with that modest silicon, the U59 performs well at basic tasks and has potential as a small office machine for embedded applications. For 8GB customers, the RAM can be upgraded to 16, along with M.2 SATA storage. There is also a bay inside for a 2.5-inch drive for even more storage options. What seals the deal is its relatively low asking price for both the 8GB and 16GB models, and the bloatware-free Windows 11 installation. It includes dual HDMI outputs and a dual gigabyte LAN port, neatly positions the U59 for embedded use. It's ideal for providing product presentations or as a self-contained firewall. For a low-cost and affordable mini PC, the Beelink U59 is easily one of the best that we've tried. Apple Mac Mini, best overall mini PC. The Apple Mac Mini is our top choice for users who want smooth and a powerful computing experience that won't break the bank. Since first getting an M-series chip, the Mac Mini has been one of the best mini PCs around, and this one, equipped with the latest M4 chipset, only makes it even better. This is a device that's more than capable of everything from productivity tasks to photo and video editing. Now that's all on 16GB of RAM, amazingly optimized by Apple. Our expert reviewers use the M4 Mac Mini for general office tasks, admin, browsing the web, and what we call the essentials, and found that the device worked perfectly. For 4K video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro and other intensive workloads, the machine still kept brilliantly working at a remarkable pace and remained virtually silent, perfect for shared workspaces while doing so. Playing games was fair too, although you won't mistake it for a device like the Neptune's mini gaming PC. And what about Apple Intelligence? It's been hyped to the nth degree, but we found it to be fine. It was good, capable, but evidently it's still in its infancy. It's one to watch out for. But overall, powered by the M4, the Apple Mac Mini retains its lead above its rivals. For its price, performance, and size, there is just no beating it. Folks, we hope you've enjoyed this well-reviewed list of mini PCs, with one being right for you. Still, if you're unsure as which model that you should choose, just simply comment down below and I will personally assist you. And remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And please let us know which mini PC you would choose. Links to all these items are posted in the video description box below, and when you're done, check out the next video.